let's talk about scales. Scale degrees are the numbers we use to designate each of the numbers in the scale, and we use them when dictating melodies and just talking about the different purpose of each of the notes in the scale. So I wrote some scale degree numbers on here. Do you see these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's just going all the way up and down the scale. Okay, if I wanted to play those on the piano, the nice thing about scale degree numbers is that they're not fixed, so you can use them for any key, and they're still related to each other. There's like a relationship between the 1 and the 5, or the 7 and the 1, and the 4 and the 3. They have sort of this partnership with each other, and so when you use numbers within a major scale, that stays constant even if you change from C major to A flat major to any key. It's really nice to have these numbers, scale degree numbers, for music theory. So in C major, C would be the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, but that's transferable. So if we want to do a song in F major, we can start with the 1 here. If the key is F, then F is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So scale degree numbers are just numbers for each pitch in the scale. They are the numbers which the Roman numeral chords are based on, and they're just numbers to assign a specific place in the scale for every pitch. All right, let's look at the next part that I write here. Any guesses what that song is? So let's do it in D major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so D is 1. We're gonna start on 3. So any guesses what this song might be? Think through it here. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. See how it works? So each of the numbers represents a place in the scale, and we did that in D major. But it's just as easy to do it in F sharp major. So we can do the same song, the same scale degree numbers with different notes. They still have the same relationship with each other, the same place in the scale. So let's look at those numbers again. Sing along with me this time. Okay, this is 1, so can you find 3? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do these numbers. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. So that's how scale degree numbers work. They're transferable from any major key to another, and they teach you a whole lot about how the different parts of the scale work in tonal harmony. So that's just a little introduction with, what is the name of this song? Did you recognize it? Mary Had a Little Lamb in scale degree numbers. If you want to practice scale degree numbers, I highly recommend taking some favorite childhood songs like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Mary Had a Little Lamb, which we just did, or London Bridge is Falling Down, something like that, little songs that you know and love. Are You Sleeping, Brother John? See if you can figure out what the numbers are and sing them on numbers, okay? So if you wanted to do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and you wanted to make it in E flat, we would start with 1 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Let's figure that part out in scale degree numbers. Ready? The first one starts on E flat, so that's 1. 1, 1. What's the second twinkle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5. So we go 1, 1, 5, 5. 1, 1, 5, 5. What's just above 5? 1, 1, 5, 5. 6, 6, 5. So with scale degree numbers, you might notice there's some overlap with fingering patterns in some songs, but the great thing about scale degrees is that we have 7 of them. You only have 5 fingers, so you're a little bit limited. But when you have a song that bursts past that 5-finger pattern to the 6, you have a way to write that down, okay? So the scale degrees give us a little more flexibility than finger numbers, and they also have meaning and tonal harmony. So 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5. Now, what's just under 5? We're gonna walk down, play each of these twice. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay. See if you can figure out some of these simple little songs. Any song you want, really. See if you can figure out how to sing it on numbers, because that's going to teach you so much about music theory. All right, it's a fun challenge. It's really good for you. And try starting in different places. So I showed you Mary Had a Little Lamb. I showed you Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I'll give you a challenge to try. What did I say? London Bridge is Falling Down. Let's do Are You Sleeping, Brother John? Row, row, row your boat is a really, really good one. With row, row, row your boat, you're going all the way up an octave when we get to the merrily, merrily, merrily part. So I'm going to start this one in B just to show you. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so when we're going from a B up high to another B, that's also a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the numbers just repeat, they continue, and if you're going to go up past 7, then it just starts all over again with 1. Does that make sense? Okay, so we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 1, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's a bit of a tongue twister when you get going really fast. Can you try that? Can you figure out, are you sleeping, brother John, morning bells are ringing, ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Can you figure out that song in scale degrees? I'll give you a little bit of a clue. It starts on 1, okay? So let's pick a key, let's pick an easy key, let's do it in C major. Can you start with C? 1, 2, 3. Those are the first 3 notes. Can you figure out what's next after that? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Find out what those pitches are in scale degree numbers and learn it, sing it, get used to it. When we use scale degree numbers, at least in the Indiana University Jacobs School of Music theory program, we say sev instead of 7 because it's the only one of the numbers that has 2 syllables. So 7 is officially sev. But besides that, it's just regular numbers. And yeah, so have a little bit of fun with this. I hope it goes well.